she has become the beautiful and accomplished lady na nakikita po natin sa harapan. Tonight we celebrate a very special milestone, Alicia Josh Lay's 18th birthday. Parang kailan lang po, parang kahapon lang, na binubuhat ko siya, maliit pa siya, nag-aagawan pa kami sa higaan. Ngayon hindi na kami pwedeng mag-agawan kasi talagang sa kanya na lang talagang higaan.
We'll get there together. I'm winding along this road, not knowing where it will go. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me.
May you continue to pursue the things you're passionate about and to not let it be a what if, what could have been, what should have been moments that will linger from time to time. May all the opportunities that will visit you not be held back by fear. And may you continue to flourish as how a flower blooms at spring and how bright a star glows at midnight. Dance with steps fueled by love and sing with a voice volumed by your will to succeed.
Ready for anything. So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Embrace the future, adventures, treasure, and past memories. And always remember you are surrounded by these people.
As I welcome you to the adulthood, I wish you nothing but genuine happiness, peace, and growth. Happy Ligali.
Anything, watching the clouds go by in our time, we'll learn to fly. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me, we're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. Come on, we can be. Come on, anything. Come on, I don't care. I go with you anywhere. Come on, we can be. Come on, anything. Come on.
continue yung pagiging positivity mo sa isang lulo. Yung pag-shine mo, yung aura mo na napakasaya mo. Patuloy sa journey mo mag-marriage. So siguro hindi na tayo magkakawad na, pero hoping na patuloy kang mag-shine at patuloy kang mag-shine sa ibang
We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything.